Kindness doesn't have to be expensive or extraordinary. Sometimes, the smallest act can make the biggest difference in someone's day. As a simple smile, helping someone in need, sharing what we have, or offering our time can bring hope and happiness to others. These moments remind us that compassion is a choice we can make every day. As we perform this act of kindness, we realize that giving is not about expecting something in return. It's about making someone feel seen, valued, and cared for. Kindness is contagious. When we choose to be kind, we inspire others to do the same. Together, we can create a world filled with more love, respect, and understanding. A one small act of kindness at a time.
Di na tayo tulad ng dati, kay bilis ng sandali, o kay tagal din kita minahal, o kay tagal din kita minahal. O kay tagal din kita minahal, o kay tagal din kita huwag kang